Hi. Back in the 90s, the Mini concept was already 30 years old. And so they had to reinvent stuff to sell exactly the same car. This is a 4-seater Cabriolet Mini, factory Mini, done or sold in the day by Rover. It has Recaro seats in cloth. It has wooden dash. It has a foldable roof, of course, and the spoiler kit all around with original, to that model, alloy wheels. It's left-hand drive. It's 1993. It's in excellent condition. It doesn't need anything. You can drive it as is. It's 30 years old, and it's part of our pop-up special sale of affordable classics. You can find it here at Oldtimer Farm in Aalter, starting Monday the 4th. I hope I can meet you here and show you these fantastic cars. There are a few other Minis included in this sale, but this is certainly the most special one. It's also the most expensive one. But still, for the rarity of the car, it's fantastic. So it makes it affordable. Come and find it here and possibly buy it. Thank you.